message ka para kay Kong TV?
Congrats. When? Kahit medyo nilakaw yung event.
Ano masasabi?
Sana galingan mo ba sa buhay mo? Sa next year, TV Fair, TV mo na. Okay na yan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pino.
Wala sumuko, mahal ka sa'yo, nagkakakibat ang aking pinagdasal. Mismo, akala ko madali, marami ang nakaabang sa aking pagkakamali. May makapatong magero na mga puro yung beto, pero huwag magpaapeto na hindi naman konkreto. Yung kwento! Dapat pasensya mo yung lahat, pero hindi mo kukontento. Nagbigay mo lahat, mismo. Kala mo pa madali, marami ang nakakabara sa aking pagkakamali. May mga batong pero na mawapuro yung beto, pero magpapapento na hindi naman konkreto. Yung kwento, ako'y sanggo.
Salamat kay Kong at V and everyone that is part of the team for the Team Payaman Fair. Kay Ivy who got in touch initially, to April who's been assisting leading up to it, and to the entire team that took care of me and my team and put all of this together. Maraming salamat. Kong, V, you both are such hard workers and keep your family so close-knit together that I truly admire and respect that about the both of you. Your family and friends, how tight-knit you guys are, and to achieve the things you guys achieve together and keeping solid the way you both are, it's truly inspiring. And it was such a pleasure to get to meet you both and to get to host for you both on your wedding and to get to be part of the success of the Team Payaman Fair. Congratulations sa inyo. Magpahinga kayo. V, nice to see that your pregnancy is doing really well according to kwentuhan namin ni Kong ng konti. Get some rest, don't push yourself too hard. Kong, congratulations sa inyong dalawa at sa lahat ng pamilya. Congratulations, family and friends, for Team Payaman Fair. Happy New Year. Thank you for inviting me and having me over. It was such a pleasure. And congratulations on the success of this fair. I'm sure it's going to be even bigger next year. And in the meantime, enjoy the rest of 2020.
Guys, ayan, dito tayo sa cellphone ko. Kon, dumi. Hugasan ko lang. Chef, pahugas naman ako ng ano.
Ay, wala kaming malamig. Kumukulo lang.
Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Okay na. Gumagana ba nga? Gumagana ba? No.
Tapos bully na yung girlfriend niya kanina. Ay, talaga? Random lang. Ang sabi niya? Privacy po kayo? Ay, no privacy. Uy, nice!
Tinignan ko. Shout out kay Carding sa langit ng
Mga idol, tira sa Pasko. Try natin kung saan. Kung kaya.
Stop it. Get some help.
Malabat.
Nice.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Pocknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!